Who says Dynamic Island is only for iPhone? Not anymore. You can actually get a similar Dynamic Island experience on pretty much any Android phone, and it only takes a few minutes to set up. Here's how you can do it. First, download and install the DynamicSpot app on your Android phone. I'll put the download link in the description so you can easily find it. Once you open DynamicSpot for the first time, you'll need to give the app a few permissions before it can work properly. First, tap Select Apps. This lets you choose which apps can trigger the Dynamic Island pop-up. If you want it to work with everything, just tap Select All. Next, go to Notification Access. Find DynamicSpot in the list, then allow notification access and turn it on. This allows DynamicSpot to display your notifications through the floating pop-up. After that, you'll need to enable Draw on Screen. Again, find DynamicSpot and allow the permission. This lets the app display the floating dynamic island over other apps. Once all the required permissions are enabled, simply tap Done. And that's it. Your Android phone now has its own Dynamic Island style pop-up. But we're not finished yet. You can customize the Dynamic Island to make it look and behave exactly the way you want. Just go into the settings and adjust options like General, Appearance, and Position. You can change how it looks, where it appears on your screen, and how it responds to different notifications. Pretty cool, right? So if you thought Dynamic Island was an iPhone-only feature, now you know that's not really the case. With DynamicSpot, you can bring a similar experience to almost any Android phone. Give it a try and let me know in the comments, does your Android phone look better with Dynamic Island, or would you rather keep the original notification style? And if you found this useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.